It's Betty with Betty's Finds. This is Crisco brand vegetable shortening. And for 1 cup of butter or margarine, you can substitute 1 cup of Crisco shortening. And it's perfect for baking and frying. So let me open the package. This comes in a big round canister, but it also comes in these baking sticks, which are much more convenient, and there's no mess to clean up. You don't have to measure the shortening, which is awkward. So 1 stick equals 1 cup of butter, or 1 cup of shortening in this case. They're individually packaged, and just take off the plastic lid and you open it up, tear off that next part, take it out, and then you can open it. And it's just Crisco, but it's in a stick. Works very well, and this is what I like to use because it's so convenient. This package has recipes inside. You can look on the back, and there's the recipe for pie crust, and then here's one for chocolate chip cookies. It was brilliant when they came out with this years ago. I haven't bought a canister of Crisco since then. I have always used the sticks. They are just so convenient.